Right then, guys, we got Billy Byrne, we got Ricky Byrne, no relation, by the way. And you're going to be having a go at the Time Is Money challenge board. So, you're both looking at it a little bit perplexed. I'll explain it. It's really simple. There's just two small challenges, and they're designed to emulate some of the kind of things you encounter being on site. One common one here, plumbers come and put his pipes right in front of your FCU. So first challenge, really simple, using the screwdriver, open the fuse drawer, take the fuse out, put it back in, close the drawer, okay? Second part, plasterers have come in and filled in your back box. So all you've got to do, using the really high-class tools provided, is chase all the plaster out, retrieve the wire, and put the earth thread on and wire the 2-gang socket on. Once the socket is wired...
Are the cables stripped?
No. Well, there's a bit there, or you can use a bit off the
No, I'm
reel
just
there.
saying, I didn't see the cutters, because...
They're really, really good cutters there.
Yeah.
Right, you going first, Ricky? You clear on the rules?
Right, so fuse first.
Yep. Open
Fuse
the drawer.
out.
Yep.
Take the fuse out, fuse
Yep.
back in, holder back in, yeah? Smash that out, second fix.
Yeah, you can rib each other, try and get in each other's head. I might even try and do the same as well. But it's a time challenge. Our fastest time, I believe, is 1:45. But we've had some that go into 5, 6, 7 minutes. But let's see what you can do. Right then. You ready, Ricky? Hold on, whoa. In 3, 2, 1, go. That's part of the challenge.
Have a look.
Jesus, could you give us a bigger screwdriver?
Put the switch
There you
now.
go, look.
There we go. Fuse is out, back in.
There you go.
Hasn't burnt his hands.
Yeah. Right, now get this out.
Time challenge, remember.
Jeez.
How do you think he's doing, Billy?
Look at the mess I'm making.
Well, I wouldn't have him in my house, that's for sure. Do you know what I mean?
Christ.
You got to hoover this up afterwards as well, by the way.
I'm an electrician, that's not our
I've got a
job.
knife. Haven't you got a knife?
Jesus. Well, that'll do, I can get a socket off that.
Right, he's unstripping the cable. He's not doing bad. This isn't a bad time.
You're right.
Are his hands shaking yet?
No, they're not alive, are they? You didn't test it, see if it's dead.
No.
Come on.
I licked it.
That's it, there's a mistake there, sausage.
He's stripping that cable off the pro. Bit of earth sleeving in there.
That's a bit too short, wasn't it? Sleeve nonetheless. Oh, I see what you did there. Did the screws up on me.
Wasn't me.
He hasn't folded the cables.
You what?
Nothing. There's a good chance that cable could snap, the conductor could snap because he didn't fold them over.
I don't have the pliers to fold it
No,
over.
you listen, you got to learn how to get over that sort of thing, sausage.
It's a challenge.
Yeah, but it's got to be a challenge that works.
Like that, is it? Trying to get in my head, are you?
And we got 3.5 screws. I didn't even see them.
Right,
Go
remember,
on, son.
when they're screwed tight, you tell me and I'll stop the clock.
Ricky.
This isn't a
Ricky.
bad time.
Ricky.
It's not the best time.
Ricky.
This screwdriver's awful.
I'll tell you what,
Good workman doesn't blame his tools.
they've,
They're not my tools.
they've had
That wrist action.
Yeah.
the other type. Where's your level? You got level?
In the van.
Well, like everything. Oh.
In.
Oh, when it. Well, I'll just check this. No, that's wrong. That's right. You always put the screws so that
Is it like that? So when they get wet, the rain runs
it
in.
runs through there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's it.
So any drips, it'll come through there and drop down there. If you do that, they catch.
You do realise you're next, Billy, and he can say all these mean
Oh
things to you.
yes.
We'll have
State of me.
to, we've got to reset this. But
What did I do?
time. So the fastest time was 1:45. You aren't the fastest time, but it's not a bad time. It is 2:37.
Oh shit.
So we're going to
How
reset.
did someone do that in 1:45?
We're going to reset and then it's Billy's turn. Right then, so it's Billy's turn on the Time Is Money challenge board. Bill, you know the rules, don't you?
Yeah.
You're all prepared. We've even got Ricky behind here for some moral support. Bill, are you ready?
Yep.
You guys ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. It's on to the first challenge. It's got to get the drawer open. Fuse out.
I weren't ready there. Right, fuse it in that, back in.
Did he get that out?
Yep.
Did he? Second part of the challenge. Got to smash this out.
A little bit of toasting.
Plasterers have come in, filled it all in for you.
Yeah, they've done their job right.
Come on, Bill, you can do it.
We just got to make sure we get it right.
You okay behind there, Ricky?
I'm all good. Just got screwdriver straight through the eye.
That's all right. Should have wore your eye protection.
Shouldn't have had
Okay,
you.
right, he's got to strip that cable. Look how
Shouldn't
prepared
have
he
had
is. He's
you-
got his snips in his pocket.
God, ain't a lot of it. Stuff here, sausage.
Come on, Billy. You can do it.
I don't want to show you up, sausage.
It's beginning to sound like a sausage party. He's not doing bad. He's getting his sleeving on. This is where it gets fiddly.
With my hands, it does.
Don't forget to double your ends up, Billy.
Is there an handicap race?
We let you start off with the things in your hand. I
And you've got
think
to practice.
That's good enough. He's not doing bad. What was your time, Ricky?
5 hours and 41 minutes.
And counting.
Right, he's got to get the sockets wide up next. Years of experience here, muscle memory being viewed in live action.
Yeah, the thing is, the longer we took, the more money we got, so we're not in a hurry, really.
That's where the muscle memory kicks in.
Just making sure you got your neutrals and your lives the right way round, because it'll never work.
He's not doing bad. This is still a good time.
Always give them a little tug to make sure they're tightly home, okay?
Timeless advice.
There you go. Clean your hole out there, because they won't. You can't work without a clean hole.
That's true.
Right. Oh, nearly dropped it. Make sure you sweep the cables so you don't catch them. Now, right, Ricky,
Yeah, you're trying to kill me behind it.
sweep the cables in.
How do you think he's doing, Ricky?
I feel like I've been here about 50 minutes already.
Yeah, well, you had a bit of a go before I got here.
Didn't he come with you, Billy? Didn't you drive him?
I'm pretty sure Billy got a practice run as well.
It's nice being a chauffeur. To someone so well known as Ricky Byrne.
You're the real legend here, not me.
Blue, red, yellow, neutral earth. There you go. Go on, sausage.
What we on?
Oh, it's not going back.
It's not a bad time.
Bored.
It's not going back. Get your weight behind there, Burnsy.
Just smash the screws in with the hammer.
Well, that's the way you got them out.
You tell me when that's tight to the wall,
Yep.
Bill, and we'll stop the clock.
It's tight to the wall. Tight to the wall.
It's not yet, though.
But I also made sure it was square. My predecessor didn't. What are you doing on the other end there, sausage? Pushing it back out?
I'm doing, my hands are up here.
Ta-da! And level.
The state of it.
I do apologise for any of the words that could be misunderstood as innuendos during that. But that was a good time, Bill. How do you think you did? Ricky, do you want to come out from behind there?
I didn't want to put my protege to much shame, so I should have beaten by a few seconds.
That's the thing, you thought, you know, you let him have a little bit of leeway.
So
the time for Billy Byrne was 4 minutes and 26 seconds.
What were you?
faster than that.
Oh, well done.
In all fairness though, Billy, we've had, I said recently, until fairly recently, we had 2 people come in under 2 minutes. And we never had that before. People were averaging 4 to 6, 7 minutes. So that's still a pretty good score.
But when they stood back, did they make sure it was square?
None of them put as much love and care into what you did.
I noticed that, I noticed that.
Just going to check, you know, for Instagram purposes.
He's getting his level out.
Yeah, that's really level, Billy.
From my house it is.
Right, well done guys.
Is that it?
Thanks
well
for coming
done.
on.
Well played, Rick.
Well done, mate.
Well done.
Sorry.
Right, and if you want to have a go on the Time Is Money challenge board, see if you can beat the fastest score, then please get in contact and we'd love to have you on the show.
How did they do that? Oh, would they get in touch with you?
That's it.
Oh, no, you're getting in touch with us.
Forget, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, hit
Where-
the notification button below if you can find it.
If you know where it is. My phone ain't got one of them.